Hello guys, today we'll be trying these nuts crunch bar. Alright, so this is gonna be a mini version because they're the only ones I have available so far. You guys requested this, so I'm trying to try it. Let's go. Alright, so I got it open. Alright, so it's just a normal Deez nuts bar with some crunch bars and stuff. It's like a Deez nuts crunch bar mixed with a Deez nuts bar. So let's give it a taste. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this piece off and I'm gonna eat this. That's really crunchy. I'm taking another bite. That's a big bite. But it's not as crunchy as the first bite was. It's really creamy. Yeah. The chocolate's melting a little bit. There's chocolate getting in my hands. Alright, I give that one a 10 out of 10 because it's really delicious and I recommend you try it. If you want to buy your own Mrbeast Crunch Bar, then go to hazzysweets.com. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Bye.